Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw these mechanical drawings with Autodesk Inventor software. This is Autodesk Inventor 2017 versions. In this channel, I will upload with tutorials of the 3D modeling, mechanical and civil architecture structures. Okay. Before you start the drawing, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. This is the drawing I will provided here. I will provided this drawing sketch in the description links. Okay, you can download it and practice. Okay, close. To draw this drawing, just choose the back here. Okay, this is the workspace here, and then change to tab and document settings, and then units for millimeters. Lines. Okay. Okay, to draw this drawing first. So sketch here and choose the plane you want. I choose the plane and change the rectangle here, plate, and then choose sign the dimension is 100 and that dimension is 60. Enter. Okay. Side get command, plate, and then the diameter is 60 plate, and then you make an move it this cycle. So we make a relationship here. Constraint is then choose there. Coincidence here. Click that cycle and that point coincident, and then the horizontal string that point. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now trim the unnecessary part here. Here. Okay. Sorry. Trim and trim. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then that part. Delete key. Okay. Now you get is the part, and then extrude. Yeah. The thickness is 12. Okay. And then sketch again. Click want to surface. Then rectangle here. Here. And right click. Okay. And you need to add relationship. Okay. Collinear. That line and that line on the same line. That line and that line on the same line. Okay. Right click. Okay. Put the dimension here. So dimension is 12. Yeah. Then the distance is that one is from that center distance is 20. So you can see the blue sketch. The blue sketch is okay for the sketch. Okay. Shoot 1 3. Yeah. Okay. Then sketch again. Sketch. Cycle. Click on this. Hover on this. Not click. Hover on it. You can choose the center like the AutoCAD. You can assign the right leads diameter 60. Yeah. Then extrude. And choose this, not the extrude boss. Is choose the cut here. Cut. And then distance throughout. Okay. Now sketch here. Click on the surface. Then choose the rectangle here. Yeah. Right click. Okay. Sign the collinear, that line, that line, that line, that line. Okay. Okay. Sorry, another line, that line. where we that line. Okay, choose the dimension here. So that distance is 30. Yeah. So I moved extrude. Yeah, and then you cannot see the visualization is the plus sign here and the grid on that you want to sketch inside the sketch. Okay, yes. So that the height is 55. Yeah, it okay. And then side sketch here. That one. Draw the side here. Yeah, right click. And then you can move over the side gap because we did not finish, or we are finished not yet put the relationship on that drawing. Okay, so this the coincident, that side gap, that side gap. Okay, and then we need to put dimension here. This 40. Yeah, 40s. Okay, and then check it. We can move. Yeah, yeah. Then we need to add the constraint here. Coincident. That y, that y. Okay, blue sketch is okay. You can see the blue sketch. Blue sketch is okay for the drawing. Okay. Extrude, and then to this that round direction you want to distance another distance here, and then choose the knock at is the join. So previous I round this. Okay, join. Okay, distance. Oh, okay, distance is the 60. Sorry, 60. Okay, and then to make sketch here, hover on the circumference and then centimeter. Okay, this will be the 18. Yeah, and then click extrude, choose the cut here, and then distance 60. Okay, okay, as you can see it here. And to see the drawing, you can rotate from the orbit to from here, or uh, keyboard from the keyboard shift and scroll V. You can choose. Okay, holding shift plus scroll V, press the scroll V mouse, press the scroll V on the mouse. Okay, and then not include the shift, the scroll V is the pen pattern. Okay, make you don't need to cut, you don't need this line, this you can, I can cut. Okay, that. Okay, so rectangle here, click, right click. Okay, then add in the dimension here. So this will be 7.5, and then 0.5, that will be 7.5. And height from that point is 42 according to the drawing. Then you can see the blue sketch. Blue sketch is okay. This open it. I'll show you. Yep. I need to cut here. Distance. Oh, oh no. Oh, choose the distance for the completely sketch. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Then need to sketch here. Yes. Holes. Center. So how many? This 80 diameter. Okay. So can move it with this cycle. So I need to add relationship. So you can see the top this is the horizontal, this is the body gear, this is the folly. So I can change the horizontal, here. Okay. Yeah. Horizontal. That side gear and that midpoint on the horizon, and then dimension is that one from that one is 50 to the center. Okay, the blue sketch. Stood. Get it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So me another here, another gap here. Sketch. Sketch on that face. Cycle. Then the center. Yeah, we consider. Okay. Then I don't need to get here, not distant. Yes, distant is just and 12, not through all. Yeah, yeah. And then choose sketch here, another 3 hole. Yeah, yeah. Sketch the diameter is 10. Yeah, and then need to relations sign here. You can motivate the side. So you need to assign the dimensions from that one. From that is 50, and that one from that base is 12. Yeah, to sketch. And then get it all. Yeah, the whole shape, Scovey, Moscow grid, you can choose the orbit. Yeah, get it from that surface. Or sketch, right click, left click here, and choose the rectangle from sign the red corner. Click. Need to dimension here. So according to the drawing, that way 6 yet. At the relationship that one and that line collinear. Okay. Blue sketch. Blue sketch is okay. And then extrude, cut, and then assign the plus key and draw. If you cannot see the right extrude, you can assign the clip on inside the sketch. You can see the plus angle. Okay. Yeah. Then the last one is to draw the cuts. Okay. So sketch here, choose the plane. Yeah. And then I will turn it down to the bottom. Yeah. And then make a rectangle here. Yeah. Then that's another outside. Okay. So need the sign here. That will be 40. Yeah. And then that line from center is should be 20 metallic. Okay. This is blue sketch is okay. Extrude, cut, not as 12. This is just 4. Yeah. Yeah. Shift can rotate. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the drawing. You can change the isometric view here. Then something material color. Yes, you can choose gold. Something. Yep. 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 As you want. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.